What's up, everyone? I'm Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage, and thanks so much for joining us on another fantastic home tour. We are over here in Summerlin West at one of the newest single-story communities. This opened up in February. This is a Taylor Morrison community. It's called Ashland. And yeah, I just kind of show you around here. We're over here at the base of the La Madre Mountains. Some people call them the Summerlin Mountains. And as we pan over this way, this area is called Little Red Rock. So just, nice, beautiful desert landscape around here. But let's go ahead and hop right into this first model. This is going to be the Pioneer. So this is 3,216 square feet. You can have it 3 or 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. Of course, it's a single story, a 3-car garage. And this model is actually for sale. I'll put all the details of the base model price and then the actual model, how it is built out price, and what they're looking for on it. I believe they want a 16-month or an 18-month, so about a 1.5 year lease back. All right, let's head on in. And this will be a gated community as well when it's all done. Like I said, they started in February. They've sold about 30 lots so far. First thing you notice when you come in, you have these nice, beautiful high ceilings. Very open, very airy. And we'll just head right back to the front of the property here and start from there. So nice open entryway coming into the property. You got this formal dining room right here. And these homes are really optioned out, so they have quite a bit of upgrades. So anything that could be made into the multi-gen suite has been made into a multi-gen suite. This is like an extra living room, playroom. This could be optioned out into a bedroom. If you're ever in these types of properties, you see these little like 2-inch pucks up there. So that is a fire suppression system. So essentially your house has a fire sprinkler system in it. And if this is your first time joining us, thanks so much for joining us. If you're a repeat joiner, thank you so much. Always like, subscribe, comment, let me know. We'll help you out buying or selling, answer any questions on any property here in the greater Las Vegas Valley area. A lot of natural light coming in these big windows. And this is a full ensuite bedroom. As you can see, we have a nice walk-in closet right here. Good size, especially build that thing out, customize it a bit. And then you have your own bathroom right here as well. Really good if you've got older kids, friends and family, roommates, or you just want a really nice house. And then over here, you just have your shower and tub combination. And toilet right there. We do have a linen closet right here at the end. It's always good to have storage. And right over here by this game room here, we have a half bath. I wonder if I change the angle on this so we're slightly down. I wonder if that helps you guys out. Let me know. I'm going to do the rest of this house with this slightly tilted down, kind of holding the camera a bit higher. Let me know what you think. So as we come back in here into the great room, we're going to jump right on into this kitchen. Massive center island. Look at those big bulb pendant lights hanging down. Nice little breakfast nook area over here. Two sliders, so you got the little 2-door slider, then you got the multi-panel slider over there. Oh, I think we got a little visitor just came in here. Over here we have our pantry. Lots of shelving in here too. Lots of cabinets, as you can see. So you got a ton of storage. coming back out here, just a little more view of the kitchen. You can see where the fridge is over here. We're gonna go ahead and pop into these secondary bedrooms over here, and then we'll check out the primary last. So right here, this just goes to the garage. Unfortunately, on model homes, they keep them locked up. So that's where they just keep a lot of storage items for themselves. Here's our laundry room, which is gonna take us into the primary bedroom. So we'll hop in there just in a minute. Nice big walk-in closet. And you know what, I'd love to see where everyone's watching from. So if you want to let me know where you're from, just put in the comments where you're watching from. What state, what country. Big walk-in shower for a secondary bedroom. And then right here, we have one more linen closet, coat closet. We have our laundry room, right? So you got a doorway over here by the secondary bedroom. This one's got a nice sink in it as well. And then this pops right into the primary bedroom. So we got one closet right here. Nice big open airy primary. Great natural light coming into the room. And over here we've got the second closet. So if there's two people living here and you guys fight for closet space, we're gonna have a winner and a not as big of a winner. So, but if you live in this beautiful home, I'd probably call everyone a winner. So awesome, huge walk-in shower, also optioned out. Got your freestanding soaking tub over here. And let's go pop into the backyard right quick and take a peek at it. So we have a nice big covered patio. Now this lot is, so imagine if this little pony wall was full the way up, right? So this lot, this model's on is about 10,000 square feet. The average lot in this community is 9,000 square feet. Some are gonna be bigger, some are gonna be smaller, but this just gives you an idea of the backyard space. So this one's, a little bit bigger than the average, but this is still quite a big backyard, especially over here in Summerlin West on a newer build home. You could put a pool, you could put all kinds of things in here. And yeah, so that about does it for this model. Now watch the channel, we're gonna do the other two models here as well. And I hope you have a great day. That's all my contact information on the bottom right. If you want to get in touch with me, ask me any questions, I will answer them. And thanks so much.